Hello, welcome to Paul's Take, and this is Oldsmar, my neighborhood. It is September 26th, a few days before Hurricane whatever it is. This neighborhood is very low to the waterline of the Tampa Bay. That is the bay to the left. The sky is beautiful, nice clouds, and the temperature is like perfect. It's been the nicest day since I've been here. I've been here for 4 months, and already a hurricane is upon us. Hopefully the neighborhood and my house remains intact. It is now Monday evening. The first signs of the storm is rolling in. The clouds are starting to come in, and it's getting a little breezy. Not bad yet, though. It's actually still quite pleasant. The temperature and the wind feels really nice. The sky is starting to look a little ominous. I just moved to Florida about 4 months ago. I'm not by any means a Florida hurricane expert. And of course, we weren't prepared. So please show you what we're doing. Not to say you should do this, because we will see after the hurricane if it works or not. Here's our yard, part of it. And if there's going to be a flood surge, which we're saying a tidal surge, this fence is alongside the road. And so we put some little sticks that probably won't do anything, but like I said, didn't have much time or money. But that'll hopefully support the fence a little better if it happens. Cleared out everything out of so those little projectiles, put everything in the back corner, way over there, behind our shed. Hopefully that works. There's our shed, here's the house. Let's go closer and get on this side. We supported the fence some more. That's a really raggedy fence, so it probably wouldn't hold anything. We let out some water out of the pool. They say you shouldn't do that, but we let out maybe a little more than a foot of water. And then here's how we secured our sliders. Put some plastic over it, tape on the wall, which will probably fall off. But then we have our sandbags. If I have enough, I'll do another layer, but probably don't. But hopefully the water pressure will push the plastic into every little crack and nothing will go through. Hopefully the glass doesn't break. Same thing over here. They were out of sandbags, so we're starting using mulch. Mulch is actually very cheap. Hopefully that works. So that's how we're doing. The outside. In front of the house, we got some sandbags and mulch to protect it. So we'll put this tarp. We're not done yet because we're going in and out. We'll put it up much higher because this side there is no protection from the water. Right? Okay. This big glass window here is completely unprotected at this point. We're still trying to figure out if we have any time to like put some plywood on there, but we're not sure how to fasten it. So that's the big question. Here I am with all the animals. It's like the Ark. 3 cats and 2 dogs. Here's the neighborhood. Some people have stuff on their doors and windows, and some people do not. These guys have boards. So right now it is 6:14 on Tuesday. So far we have not got any rain. The tide is definitely higher. There is a slight surge so far already. So we'll see in a second. So this area over here always gets flooded during high tides and a little bit of rain. So the heavens of God here, it's not as bad as it seems. And it's not. Water hasn't reached the road. This here is super low line. And get some boards up. Oh, so not as bad as I thought, because the water, I seen it on a rainy, stormy day, water actually kind of takes over this park, and it hasn't taken over yet. But it looks like it's getting pretty close. But this is a good sign. It's not too bad yet. Still at a reasonable level. So it's Wednesday, September 28th, about 10 o'clock in the morning. And right now, it's getting a little breezy, and it's just started, it's raining a little bit. It was raining a little harder earlier, but nothing bad, nothing abnormal. I am trapped in my mother-in-law's house. which is nice. She only lives 20 minutes away in a very safe area, supposedly. It's much higher. They're not in a flood zone, and this is a concrete house. So we should be good here. So, and that is the current conditions. Like I said, a little breezy, little rain, but nothing bad at all yet.